check. Mic 2, mic 2.
Good morning, everyone. We are here starting Mallayuddha 4.0. Starting with the first bout, Vishal E from Team Akhil versus Zain Pasha from Youth Mag. This is going to be an amateur K1.
All right,
in
from
the
blue
flyweight
corner we have
division.
Zain Pasha from Youth Mag.
I'm Puneet Shenoy, just like last time, and I have with me Kendra Sai Datta, the official Telugu commentator for UFC.
Hi guys. So I think we're starting with the K1 round. So we're pretty much interested in this Mallayuddha, the fourth event. So it has rapidly grown. So starting from event 1 till event 4, I mean good growth on it.
Absolutely,
We got
man.
fighters,
This is
fight
literally-
quality.
This is literally the second event that we're hosting in less than 6 months of time. We are growing. We are definitely
Guys,
growing,
only
and we are
two
growing
corners
quick.
are allowed in the corner and only one person can go inside the cage in between the rounds, okay?
And to speak about the production as well, the production has seen a drastic improvement and major improvements. We started the first bout, from K1 bout. The rules briefing is going on. So one inside leg kick now. And I would start with say what Vishal is constantly pressing forward. He's not taking any damage. He's constantly going forward and he's trying to get punches, starting off with punches off.
Zayn is going aggressive, but I see Vishal being calculated about his strikes.
So very good game plan by Vishal. Well, I would say, considering his range, he is inside. But he should be careful, do not drop his hands down because Zayn is pretty aggressive now. He's opening the kicks. But it's a pretty good job by closing the range by Vishal. He want to close the range and try to connect those punches. I would say, if
That is
can Vishal get the range properly, things will be much better.
Absolutely, and I was about to say that Zayn has a major reach advantage as well.
A good
Vishal-
movement by Zayn as well.
Vishal's corner, Akhil is constantly screaming to keep his hands up.
A good connection by Vishal there. And a good body kick from Zayn. So good. I'm like each. Both of the guys are actually exchanging good number of strikes.
And the ref just gave a second warning to Vishal not to grab hold of Zayn.
Oh, another good leg kick by
Zayn's
Zayn.
body kick are definitely showing there is definitely some amount of swollenness on Vishal's left.
Zain is pretty much using his range, but good connection from Vishal here. A good cross straight down the line. As Zain replied with a low kick. Pretty much good exchanges. Here Zain is pretty much using his range very effectively, but Vishal is pressing forward with overhand. Should be very careful. Keep your hands. Make sure Vishal keeps his hands up while barging inside. Another good body kick by Zain. Last 10 seconds. Let's see what kind of action goes on in last 10 seconds. Another body kick attempted by Vishal, but he didn't connect clearly. And that's the round one. I would say a good number of connections by both the fighters, but the knockdown was very crucial for Vishal in this round, I would say.
Yes, but Vishal also got 2 warnings from the referee for grabbing hold of Zain.
If Vishal can readjust his range and come back properly, I think he can get this thing done. At the same time, Zain is also able to understand the range properly. He's maintaining his distance and calculative strike. So both are understanding their game plan. They're trying to put up their game plan.
Yes.
Round 2. You want to see round 2 corner shout? So round 2 is going to start now. Here we go. Again, here we are seeing openings by Vishal here. I think there's a groin kick from, that's a low blow, accidental low blow.
I think the main weapons of choice of both these fighters, especially Zain, is the body kick, and Vishal is going with the overhand right. And now Zain gets his first warning.
So the fighter has 5 minutes complete to recover. You can use the entire 5 minutes for recovery. So I think they are ready and good to go. You can see Vishal pressing forward, but a good body kick by Zain here. Another overhand attempt by Zain, but it was beautifully countered.
Vishal
another
is
body kick by Zain.
Sorry, Zain is landing really clean, and they are going at it. Another clean body shot from Zain. A good head kick by Zain.
But Vishal held it guard with the head kick. Now he's trying to press forward. If you can notice, Vishal is constantly going forward.
Vishal is constantly moving forward.
But must say, good techniques. Good setup from Zain here. He's understanding the range pretty much well. He's understanding how to fight a shorter opponent. Very effectively using his leg kicks.
Oh, he almost lands an overhand right.
Beautiful head kick attempt by Zain.
Zain lands another beautiful body shot, and I do see that Vishal is slowing down. He's breathing heavy from his mouth.
Beautiful opening by Zayn here, another beautiful jab is connected by Zayn. Zayn is using his strikes very effectively. Another body kick by Zayn. Now Zayn is pressing forward. Vishal is dropping his hand down. I think Vishal keep it guard up. Another beautiful overhand attempt by Vishal, but Zayn is pressing forward with his body shots. A beautiful body kick again by Zayn.
Both these men are going at each other. A beautiful show of heart from Vishal. He just refuses to give up.
Another beautiful right hook has been thrown by Zayn. It connected clean, but Vishal is on his face, right on his face, taking the punches and moving forward. Another beautiful cross by Vishal, and Zayn has given an excellent right hook as well. Zayn is constantly pressing forward, opening his punches. What a round too. A dominant round for Zayn.
Blue corner. Only 2 corners are allowed over that side.
We're at the third and final round of this bout, Zayn versus Vishal. Zayn is opening up with a barrage of punches and landing clean on Vishal. Vishal needs something huge to win this fight now.
If you look at Puneet, Zayn is actually putting the pace, Puneet. You know, Zayn is over the rounds, he's getting confidence and pressing forward. But now, Vishal is retreating.
Yes. Vishal's corner is constantly telling him to keep his hands up and work on his defense. Oh, a clean body shot and followed up by beautiful punches from Zayn. Zayn is charging forward with a barrage of punches, and it looks like Vishal is lagging back.
Beautiful hard by Vishal here. An outer leg kick, but Zayn is constantly punching him. He's always being on the face. A beautiful body kick by Zayn again. I like the pressure of Zayn is really good. A beautiful head kick. It landed clean. A good setup, a straight setup. Another inside leg kick.
You have to give it to Vishal, man. The show of heart. He's constantly still charging forward. Brilliant show of heart from Vishal.
But I think the damage perspective is going to be Zayn. Yeah. Zayn is actually putting on the show here. He is opening his hands up. A beautiful punches by Zayn here. Vishal needs to keep his hands up and he needs to give something. He needs to retreat. He needs to gain Zayn's respect. He needs to strike. He cannot allow Zayn to throw from outside. Vishal needs to close the range and try to connect.
Final 10 seconds for this bout. And Vishal is going forward, charging, giving hit his all. And that is it. 3 rounds. What a brilliant start to Mallayuddha 4.0.
A very good start. I think a great round. Both the fighters had their moments. When it comes to Vishal, his forehands were good of use, but when it comes to Zan, he pretty much uses kicks and strikes together well.
Yeah.
So it was a well-rounded fight. It was a great fight. I think Zan may take it by a slight edge.
And here we go for the decision.
Here we go. So the winner is Here we go, guys. So that we have winner from unanimous decision, blue corner.
A good fight, and Zan, as I said, I think that round 2 and round 3 has got him his victory.